In this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets on Windows 11. There are two ways to go about this. The first option is to scroll down and click the Start menu. Look for the Settings icon and click it. On the left, look for Personalization and click that. Scroll down and look for Taskbar and click that. Look for the Widgets icon. Widgets here, and up on the right, there should be a slider. It's currently off. Click it to turn it on. And as you can see down at the bottom, there's widget appear. Scroll down and we can see it. To add a widget, scroll up to the gear icon and click it. Now we're about to discover new widgets. The plus icon gives it away, so click that. Now we have multiple ways to add these things here. Let's just go with that one. Pin it. Click the pin button. And as you can see, it has been added to this section here with the little widget icon, and you can press to add even more widgets. The second way is by going to the Start menu again and open up Microsoft Store. Wait till it loads. Sluggish this morning. Type in widget. And we have all these options for widgets. I'm going to go with Widget Launcher. Click Get. It's free, as you can see. And wait till it loads. It's slow this morning. Come on. File size a little larger than I remembered, but And finally it's done. And once it's finished installing, click Open. Now we can choose from the all list. I'm just going to go with the CPU meter. You can change the background border, accent, font color, and many other things, but we're just going to transparency as well, but we're just going to launch widget now. Wait till it loads. And here we are. Close the windows, and as you can see, my RAM seems to be... The CPU is fine, but RAM's getting very close to... I'll need to look into my machine. Not your problem, my problem. I need to see what task is running in the background that's causing all the issues. That is how you add widgets to Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe, and maybe even turn on the notification bells if you feel like. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and see you in the next video.